Moving on now, India says that it supports direct negotiations between Israel and Palestine. Speaking at a UN Security Council meeting on Palestine, the Indian ambassador to the UN, T.S. Tirumurthy, said that the Palestinian demand for statehood can be fulfilled through an open and direct dialogue. Tirumurthy further reiterated that there is no alternative to direct peace negotiations between the two sides. The Indian ambassador further said that the dialogue based on the internationally agreed framework can also fulfill Israel's security concerns. Highlighting that direct talks between Israel and Palestine through the Madrid Peace Conference, Tirumurthy further said that a similar effort is required now to overcome the present impasse. He further stressed that India stands ready to support all efforts aimed at resumption of direct negotiations. India is also ready to facilitate the peace process to achieve a two-state solution.
We believe that durable and long-lasting peace can be achieved between the people of Israel and Palestine only through a two-state solution which entails the establishment of a sovereign, viable and independent state of Palestine within recognized and mutually agreed borders living side by side with Israel in peace and security. Both the legitimate aspirations of the Palestinian people for statehood and Israel's legitimate security concerns can be fulfilled through an open and direct dialogue between Israel and Palestine based on the internationally agreed framework. We reiterate that there is no alternative to direct peace negotiations between the parties.
The Indian representative also condemned the violent attacks against Palestinian and Israeli civilians. Tirumurthy called upon the parties to make concrete efforts and reverse these negative trends. India says that unilateral actions that undercut the viability of the two-state solution must be avoided in the interest of peace and stability. And parties must instead engage in the steps that help the resumption of peace talks. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.